Hi, I'm Dr. AJ Vasquez. I'm a doctor of chiropractic and a certified acupuncturist. Welcome to our facility. Today's topic is understanding the benefits of shockwave therapy, in this case our PhysioWave 2 machine. As you can see, these are therapies that were very successful in treating like shoulder, elbow, and foot issues. We see that shockwave therapy helps the blood flow and the collagen production go back into the injured joint. It also helps break up that scar tissue and maybe that chronic muscle adhesion that hasn't gone away, as well as it helps to improve, or I guess get moving, the stalled healing process that can happen when you're dealing with chronic muscle injuries or any kind of soft tissue injury. What I find is that most of my patients will say, I feel less pain, I feel better movement or mobility, and a lot of times they're like, hey, my recovery time is down. I can get back to the gym, get back to doing the things I want to do. And again, shockwave is very good for tough areas like the shoulder, the elbow, and the foot. I appreciate you watching today. I'm Dr. AJ Vasquez, and until next time, goodbye.